Hey everyone, Linus here. Ever wondered what makes your computer tick? It's a symphony of hardware and software working together seamlessly. Understanding these fundamentals can dramatically improve your computing experience. Let's break down the magic behind the screens. Think of your computer as a high-tech puzzle. Each piece, from the processor to the operating system, plays a crucial role. Just like you wouldn't build a house without a foundation, you can't truly master the digital world without grasping these basics. In this journey, we'll explore the core components of a computer, from the brain power of the CPU to the lightning-fast access of RAM. We'll also uncover the world of operating systems, the unsung heroes that keep everything running smoothly.
First up, the CPU or central processing unit. Think of it as the brain of your computer, making lightning-fast calculations and executing instructions. The faster the CPU, the smoother your computer runs, especially for demanding tasks like gaming or video editing. Next, we have RAM or random access memory. This is your computer's short-term memory. It stores data that the CPU needs to access quickly. More RAM means smoother multitasking, allowing you to switch between applications without those annoying lags. Imagine working on a project with all your tools laid out within arm's reach. That's RAM in action. It provides the CPU with quick access to the information it needs. From browsing the web to running complex software, the CPU and RAM are the powerhouse duo of your computer. Understanding their roles is key to unlocking your computer's full potential.
Now, let's talk storage. This is where your computer keeps all your files, from documents and photos to music and videos. Two main types of storage are HDDs or hard disk drives and SSDs or solid-state drives. HDDs are like old-school record players, using spinning platters to store data. They are generally more affordable but slower than SSDs. SSDs, on the other hand, are like flash drives on steroids. They use flash memory, making them much faster and more durable than HDDs. Imagine loading a game from an HDD versus an SSD. The SSD will load it in a flash, while the HDD will have you waiting. SSDs are a game changer for speed and overall system responsiveness. Choosing the right storage depends on your needs and budget. Need lots of space for a low price? HDD is the way to go. Prioritize speed and performance? SSD all the way.
Let's not forget about peripherals. These are the external devices that allow you to interact with your computer. Keyboards, mice, monitors, printers, scanners, they all fall under this category. Keyboards and mice are your primary input devices, allowing you to type commands and navigate the graphical interface. Monitors, on the other hand, are your output devices, displaying the visual information from your computer. Think of peripherals as the bridges connecting you to the digital world. They translate your actions into commands that the computer understands and present the results in a way you can comprehend. From gaming mice with customizable buttons to high-resolution monitors that bring your visuals to life, peripherals enhance your computing experience. Choosing the right ones can significantly impact your productivity and enjoyment.
Section 5. The conductor of the orchestra understanding operating systems. Now let's move on to the unsung hero of your computer, the operating system, or OS. This is the software that manages all the hardware and software resources, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Think of the OS as the conductor of an orchestra. It coordinates all the different instruments or hardware components to create a harmonious symphony, which is your computing experience. From managing memory allocation to handling input and output, the OS is the backbone of your system. Without an OS, your computer would be a useless collection of hardware. It provides a platform for running applications and interacting with the system. It's the essential link between you and the digital world. In the next section, we'll delve into the evolution of user interfaces and explore some popular operating systems that power millions of devices worldwide.
Section 6, From Commands to Clicks. The evolution of user interfaces. Early computers relied on command line interfaces where users had to type in specific commands to interact with the system. Remember those cryptic lines of code in old movies? That's what we're talking about. Thankfully, technology evolved and graphical user interfaces, or GUIs, emerged. GUIs replaced those intimidating command lines with intuitive visual elements like icons, windows, and menus. This revolutionized computing, making it accessible to the masses. Imagine trying to explain a complex concept using only words versus using visuals and diagrams. GUIs made computers infinitely more user-friendly, opening up a world of possibilities for people of all technical skill levels. From the early days of Xerox Alto to the iconic Windows 95, GUIs have come a long way. Today we have sleek and intuitive operating systems that make interacting with computers a breeze.
Section 7, a world of operating systems, Windows, macOS, and Linux. Speaking of operating systems, let's meet some of the big players. Windows, developed by Microsoft, is the most popular desktop OS globally, known for its user-friendliness and vast software library. Then we have macOS, Apple's operating system for its Mac computers. It's praised for its sleek design, intuitive interface, and strong focus on creativity and multimedia. And let's not forget Linux, an open-source operating system known for its flexibility, security, and customization options. It's a favorite among developers and tech enthusiasts. Each OS has its strengths and weaknesses, catering to different user needs and preferences. Choosing the right one depends on your priorities, budget, and technical expertise.
Section 8. Choosing your arsenal. Hardware selection tips. So you're ready to build or upgrade your computer? Awesome. But with so many options available, choosing the right hardware can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, I've got your back. First, consider your needs. What will you be using your computer for? Gaming, video editing, or everyday tasks? This will determine the level of performance you need from your CPU, RAM, and graphics card. Next, set a budget. Computer components can range from affordable to eye-wateringly expensive. Knowing your budget will help you narrow down your options and find the best value for your money. Don't be afraid to research and compare different brands and models. Read reviews, watch benchmark videos, and compare prices to make informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power. Section 9. Unlocking peak performance. Optimizing your operating system. Congratulations on your new computer or upgrade. Now let's optimize that operating system for peak performance. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. First, keep your OS updated. Updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security patches. Enable automatic updates to ensure your system is always running at its best. Next, uninstall unnecessary programs and disable startup applications that you don't use regularly. These can clog up your system resources and slow down your computer. Run regular disk cleanups to remove temporary files and free up disk space. This can improve system responsiveness and prevent slowdowns. Remember, a well-maintained operating system is a happy operating system. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your computer runs smoothly for years to come.
Section 10, conclusion embracing the ever-evolving tech landscape. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the core components of a computer to the intricacies of operating systems. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for navigating the ever-evolving tech landscape. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about how your computer works, the better equipped you'll be to troubleshoot issues, optimize performance, and make informed decisions about upgrades. So keep exploring, keep learning, and never be afraid to dive deeper into the fascinating world of computer hardware and operating systems. Until next time, stay curious.